All right, I got my cars registered and everything. We're going to go in and tour the vendor tables. We'll do that now. This may be separate videos, the vendor area, than the models on display. And that's what we'll do. This is going to be the vendor tour here, and it's going to be we'll put some music over it just so I don't get copyrighted or anything. So let's head in.
Oh, that drives me nuts.
We got the STS booth here. This is just one room out of two.
Go. Have $1 million there? 14.
Got the battery box in there.
Lane avoidance. It's got the adaptive cruise control. You run up on somebody that slams the brakes on you.
No, ours is mine.
Oh,
Just,
like
I turned that part off.
Yeah,
Oh, hey, you got the time? Do it. Tired of eating. What? Yeah, classic.
There's a difference between the new plastics and the vintage.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have if you call them, you'll hear a cell phone ring.
Gotcha.
But if you want
Yeah, I
talk tables or
tucked
anything.
one, I think, back in.
The 50 off.
Big sign with something to the effect of, you know, thank you Marines or something along those lines, but please don't shoot us. Apparently there's artillery
My wife and I discussed all this stuff.
Tom and Joe. Yeah, I met Tom. No. I met him when I was still a builder, so I didn't tell anybody. All my friends knew, but they were talking about it. I will be back. I'm looking for a show.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not got your raffle tickets, let's get some raffle tickets. We will be calling the first set at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Also, if you've noticed, we have changed the venue a little bit. So we've got the downstairs is seating area and all vendors, and the upstairs are all the cars. Oh, I'm sorry, the models. So make sure you're taking a check on them and check out our vendors. And thanks for coming again. The 16th year, by the way. So you can all, you're all old enough to drive now.
I got bags too for you here.
Oh, actually, I have a pocket over here.
Who are they? Who let you in the building?
You gonna show me how to drive this? Taking off.
I hope you do well here because it's a nice show. Especially now they've opened up more things. There's nothing other than really bursting out.
I'll call you real quick and then you'll have mine. My name's AJ.
Okay, I'm Randy.
Randy. What are you looking for?
That Japanese.
The Japanese.
Yeah, it's I'd call it Gen 1.
70, 71, 73 or something. No. This car all
Kind of quick walk through the vendor areas, and then we'll have music dubbed over it. A lot of good deals, a lot of make offers on kits. One guy was saying, so I'm gonna go pick a couple up maybe. With that, happy modeling. See you next time.